Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 19 July 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examinations. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous two questions. Our first question was Google has decided to buy how much percent stake in Reliance Jio platform? 7.73%, 8%, 9%, 9.5%. The correct answer here is option A, 7.73%. Okay. Recently, Google has decided to buy 7.73% stake in Reliance Jio platform. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Our second question was Poba Reserve Forest will be upgraded to Wildlife Sanctuary. It is in which state? Odisha, Bihar, Assam, Manipur. The correct answer here is option C, Assam. Poba Reserve Forest is in Assam and it is going to be upgraded to the Wildlife Sanctuary, and it is announced by the Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbanand Sonowal. Okay, Assam is in news. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal and Governor is Jagdish Mukhi. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. What is the rank of India Global Manufacturing Index 2020? First, second, third, fourth. The correct answer here is option C, third. In Global Manufacturing Index 2020, India's rank is third. Okay. China achieved the first position, USA achieved the second position, and after that our India is in third position. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Which state has decided to produce electricity from waste material? Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. The correct answer here is option A, Uttarakhand. Recently, the Uttarakhand government has decided to convert waste generated in the state to electricity under an initiative Waste to Energy. Waste to Energy. Okay, you can see the image. How can they can produce the waste to energy, and the capital of the Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Dehradun is the winter capital. Garson is the summer capital, and the Chief Minister of the Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat, and Baby Rani Moria is the Governor of Uttarakhand. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Who has been appointed as Ambassador of TIFF 2020? Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra, Sonam Kapoor, Sonakshi Sinha. The correct answer here is option A. Option B, Priyanka Chopra. Bollywood actor Priyanka Chopra has been chosen as the ambassador of the TIFF. Okay, what is the abbreviation of the TIFF here? Toronto International Film Festival. Toronto International Film Festival. Okay, you can see the image of the Deepika Padukone here, and he is now the ambassador of TIFF 2020. Next question. Nelson Mandela International Day is celebrated on 18 July, 19 July, 20 July, 21 July. The correct answer here is 18 July. Option A is correct here. On 18 July, Nelson Mandela International Day is celebrated. This day is celebrated to acknowledge the Nelson Mandela's contribution to the struggle for democracy internationally. Okay, and this day is first observed in 2009. In 2009, it is first observed. Nelson Mandela got Peace Prize in 1993. Nobel Peace Prize he got in 1993. He is a very famous personality. You can see the image of the Nelson Mandela here. Next question. Ashoka Rapanda appointed as first woman prime minister of which country? Poland, Zimbabwe, Gabon, Turkmenistan. The correct answer here is Gabon. Option C is correct here. Ashoka Rapanda has been appointed as the first woman prime minister of the Gabon here. The capital of Gabon is Libreville. Libreville is the capital. Currency is franc. Franc is the currency of the Gabon, and you can see the image of the Ashoka Raponda here. He is the 12th Prime Minister of the Gabon. Question number 6. Arjun Award para-athlete Ramesh Tikaram passed away. He was related to which sports? Football, badminton, tennis, cricket. The correct answer here is option B, badminton. He related to badminton. Arjun Award para-athlete and badminton player Ramesh Tikaram recently passed away due to COVID-19. Okay, you can see the image of the Ramesh Tikaram receiving the Arjun Award from former President APJ Abdul Kalam here, and in 2002 he received the Arjun Award, and he died due to the COVID-19. Next question. CBSE ties up with whom for artificial intelligence based curriculum? SCL, IBM, Reliance, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, IBM. The CBSE has integrated a new artificial intelligence course for 11th and 12th in current academic year 2020 and 21, and signed the MOU with IBM, ties up with IBM to launch the artificial intelligence based curriculum. Okay, the headquarter of the CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education is in Delhi, and chairman is Manoj Ahuja. Manoj Ahuja is the chairman of CBSE. Okay, the headquarter of the IBM is located in New York. Okay, and the CEO of the IBM is Arvind Krishna. Arvind Krishna is the CEO of IBM. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. The newly elected members of the Rajya Sabha will be administered oath on which date? 20 July, 22 July, 24th July, 25th July. The correct answer here is option B, 22 July. The newly elected member of the Rajya Sabha will be administered oath on 22 July 2020. For the first time, administration of oath will be done in the chamber of the housing during the intersession. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. With which country India signed an MOU to develop a strategic petroleum reserve? China, Australia, USA, Japan. The correct answer here is option C, USA. India and USA have signed an MOU to develop a strategic petroleum reserve to reserve the crude oil. Okay, and the MOU is signed with USA. The capital of USA is Washington DC. Currency is US dollar, and president is Donald Trump. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 10. In Gujarat, where the Chief Minister Vijay Rupani has inaugurated the newly start of 1000 bedded hospital. Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot, Gandhinagar. The correct answer here is Surat. It is in Surat. In Gujarat, Chief Minister Vijay Rupani has inaugurated the newly set up 1000 bedded hospital. It will not only provide the adequate beds but also offer the modern treatment facilities to the COVID-19 patients. Okay, the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the capital here, and Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani, and Governor is Acharya Devvrat. Acharya Devvrat is the Governor of Gujarat. I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment box, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. So try to answer in the comment section. Our first question is, first online NISTA program started in which state? Our second question is, who developed a portable hospital called Medicaf? Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students get help. Thank you.